Hello guys, now you will see a great selection of the coolest products from Amazon. All links to the products in the description below the video.
Have you ever wondered, is that thing even working? Oh, it just blinked. Red. Is that bad? Should I be worried? Why do we put up with this? Meet Nest Protect. It's designed with advanced technology to sense smoke and carbon monoxide. Can give you an early warning before an alarm.
Heads up, there's smoke in the kitchen.
And if you know everything's okay, you don't have to run around trying to quiet it down. Just hush it from your phone.
Smoke alarm silenced.
Nest Protect tells you where the danger is, so you know what to do and where to go.
Emergency. There's carbon monoxide in the living room. Move to fresh air.
And it can send an alert, so you know what's going on, even if you're not home.
The carbon monoxide alarm is over.
At night, it lights your way and shows you it's tested its batteries and everything's okay, so everyone can sleep safe and sound. Nest Protect. It's time to know more and worry less.
DragonBlaze electric fireplaces. Every one of our Fireplace mantle packages ships standard with an industry-best furniture-grade mantle and a state-of-the-art electric fireplace insert with 3D flame technology and realistic flames. The flames appear to come from in front of the logs as well as behind them for an immersive effect like no other. Customize your fire effects to suit any mood and adjust the flame speed and intensity to set the perfect ambiance for your room using the built-in control panel or the handy remote control. This fireplace can simulate small, dwindling flames all the way to roaring fires with the press of a button. Ready for a new look? Enjoy 5 different flames in a variety of colors to suit any mood or change it up to keep it fresh. The realistic glowing logs and burning ember bed is the perfect touch to finish off your stylish new electric fireplace that is sure to turn heads. Gorgeous flames are nothing if they can't warm you on cool nights. Featuring a safe 5200 watt infrared electric heater to keep you toasty during the coldest weather. Enjoy the added benefit of spending much less on electricity to cut your heating bills. And these are the perfect marriage to your new insert. We deliver by not making compromises on quality. You owe it to yourself to put a safe and efficient electric fireplace into your home and relax to the beauty of fire to melt away the stress with realistic 3D flame effects, safe-to-use heater, and premium quality mantles. Your new fireplace package is sure to turn heads and have your friends asking, "Where do I get one?"
remember when.